All right, guys, this customer wanted to add some speakers to the outside of their patio so they can listen to music at any time. So stay tuned and check out our video. As you can see right here, we're getting the speakers terminated, pushing them up into the ceiling, getting them tightened down, and then we're going to go ahead and put the grill on the speaker. So we'll do this for all four. After we finish the speaker installation, we're then going to get the TV mounted, and that way everything that plays through the TV will play through all four speakers. So check it out, guys. As you can see here, we're installing the 4 lag screws, and that's going to adhere it to the brick, and then we're going to get the TV lifted up on top. Check it out. Wait, what on Sonance speakers? Very nice, guys.